Alright guys, this right here is a project, something I'm really wanting to get started on soon. It was a 1972 Harley Davidson Sprint Enduro, the frame is. Dad had got it. I think he paid like $75. Dad, Junk Car Willie. And he sold the gas tank off of it, sold the fenders off of it, and gave me the frame. He also gave me different Harley motorcycle parts off different bikes, and I just need a power plant for it. Looking for a cheap motor, something affordable. I ain't got a whole lot of money. I don't care what it is, honestly. I don't care if it's a Kawasaki engine. It's just going to be a thrown together bike, a rat bike if you will. But I think it'll have a good look. Right now I just got the gas tank. Everything's just setting on it. I haven't built no brackets or nothing. I haven't started on it and done nothing to it. But I think it'll look pretty cool. I don't know whether to keep dirt bike tires on it or not. Obviously I have to get new ones. These are dry rotted even though they still hold air. And we've had it over a year, probably going on 2 around here, and just never got nothing done to it. But I've never put air in the tires, and they're still holding air. Could ride around the yard probably on them. I wouldn't take it out on the highway though, on them tires. But everything's just set on it. This is the original, I believe it's the original seat. It came with it. Dad didn't get rid of the seat. The frame's in really good condition, being the year it is. Everything's just sitting on it. The fender, the back fender is off a Heritage Softail. This, I don't know. I know it's a back fender, but I think it would look cool as a front fender. Say hi, Hazy. Say hi, son. Say hi. You're on camera. Put you on YouTube. Having fun on a trampoline, huh? But yeah, if any of y'all know where I could get a next to nothing, you know, I can't pay a whole lot for a motor. But like I said, I don't really care what kind of bike it's off of. It could be a Honda, it could be a Kawasaki. It don't matter. Well, I'm out.